What's up guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. I hope that you all are doing well. So today I'm going to be making black soap shampoo, and this is going to be a very quick and easy recipe. So I'm gonna start off with my black soap, and if you have never heard of black soap before, black soap has a lot of antifungal and antibacterial properties, and it is really effective in cleaning your scalp. It also helps if you have an itchy scalp. So African black soap is made from African plants such as plantains, cocoa pods, palm tree leaves, and the barks of shea trees, and it is sun-dried and roasted. African black soap is rich in potassium. And now that my black soap has dissolved in the hot water, I am going to strain it with a cheesecloth and a strainer so none of those little particles get into the shampoo. You can use this just as is, but because I know that black soap can be drying to your hair, I am going to add some oils. So the first oil I'm using is castor oil, and castor oil helps for growing hair longer and thicker, and it also helps with hair loss. So the next thing I'm going to use is coconut oil. Coconut oil gets deep into the hair follicles and it helps to prevent frizz. It also has a lot of essential fatty acids, which is good for your hair and helps to prevent protein loss. So the next oil that I'm going to be using is olive oil, and olive oil keeps the hair moist and strong, and it is very beneficial to dry hair. Next, I'm going to be using some rosemary oil, and I love rosemary oil. I really love how it smells, and rosemary oil helps with circulation. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps with dry scalp, and also if you suffer with dandruff. So these are the oils that I'm going to be using in my shampoo. And remember this box of essential oils that I bought on Amazon. Go check out my Amazon haul video if you haven't yet. Thank you. And I'm going to be using some tea tree oil and some peppermint oil, and you can check my description box for all the measurements that I used, or you can tweak it to your own liking and make it however you like. And I'm just gonna give that a stir. And that's it for my black soap shampoo DIY recipe. So let me go ahead and give this a little skin test, and as you can see, I'm getting a lot of sudsy moisturizing action on my hand. So I'm gonna pour it into this glass bottle until I am ready to try it in my hair. Then I would transfer it into an applicator bottle. And that's it for my black soap shampoo recipe. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that it was simple enough, and remember, you can use the oils that you have at home, whatever you have on hand. Also, make sure that after you use the black soap shampoo that you use a really good deep conditioner, because black soap can be drying to your hair and to your skin. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at Tameka.Hairgoals, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.